So in exercise 13.3, we have committed one mistake now in taking the common. So pi r is common, then the remaining part is 2l plus 2r,
R.
and the radius is 3.5. Slant height is 12.5 plus 2 into 3.5. In question, it is given that a cubical box of the side 7 centimeter is surmounted by the hemisphere. Means जो हेमिस्फेयर है वो क्यूबॉइड क्यूब के ऊपर से रखा हुआ है. So when we draw the diagram, so let the base having the cube, this is cubical box, and the hemisphere is surmounted on it. अब इसके ऊपर से हेमिस्फीयर रख. Now what is the greater diameter of the hemisphere can have? So that means when we keep this hemisphere on the top surface, it can have maximum diameter equals to side
7.
of cube. So first we will write greatest diameter is equals to side of cube,
Cube.
which part we can cover with the hand. Now if I talk about the cube, then we can touch 5 portion of the cube. This 2, 3, 4, and the back side is 5. But when we reaches on the top portion, we are not able to touch this portion. ये जो सर्कुलर शेप है ना नीचे वाला, ये हम टच नहीं कर पाएंगे. यहाँ पे क्या होगा, when we reaches on the fifth side, we are able to touch these corners. क्योंकि हम बाउल कैसे भी रखेंगे ना, they will leave the corner. And we are also able to touch this spherical part. So that's why we have to write here in the place of 5, we will use here 6. And out of 6, we are also able to touch the portion of 2 pi r square, that is the curved surface area of hemisphere, minus this circular base, means pi r square. क्योंकि ये जो बेस है ये क्यूब के लोअर पोर्शन को टच किया हुआ है. So we can simply write here surface area of solid is equals to TSA of cube plus CSA of hemisphere minus area of cir circle. So cube 6a square plus 2 pi r square minus pi r square. So when we solve these two terms, so we are having the 6a square plus pi r square. Now substitute the value. Maximum diameter is 7, so radius is 7 by 2 centimeter. So when we are 294 plus 38, 38.5, final answer is 332.5 centimeter square. Question. So first given here hemispheric depression. So hemispheric depression means हम सबने आइसक्रीम तो खाया हुआ है. So whenever we purchase the ice cream, na, that the shopkeeper keep the ice cream in a container, and we demand we need this flavor, then he or she will use the spoon और स्पून को यहाँ पे डालता है और ऐसे कट करके निकाल लेता है. सो उस आइसक्रीम के अंदर इस स्पून का पूरा एक जो भी पोर्शन था वो क्रिएट हो, दैट इज नोन एज द डिप्रेशन. समथिंग इज kept out kept out from some part. किसी में से कुछ पार्ट निकाल लेना, that is depression. Now it is given that we have a cubical box. So out of the cubical box, this cubical box, we have to kept out a hemispheric depression. So when we kept out some hemispheric depression, that means it is like something this way. So in question number 4, that the hemisphere is from the outside. Now in fifth one, that the depression is inside. And also we have given that diameter is L. So we will consider here D is equals to L unit. We are writing here unit because the unit is not given. So radius will be L by 2 unit. Now determine the remaining solid. So we will write here remaining solid is equals to TSA of cubical wood plus CSA of hemispheric depression minus area of circle. So it's a 6a square plus 2 pi r square minus pi r square. Now the side is missing. So again here the cubical box have such as the diameter L of the hemisphere is equals to age of the cube. So we will consider here age of cube is L. So it becomes 6a L square plus pi L by 2 whole square pi L square by 4. Now we can take the L square common. So 6 plus pi by 4 unit square. They are asking about the surface area of the remaining solid. So when they are asking the surface area of the remaining solid, you have to take your hand. अपने हाथ को ले लो और घुमाओ. कहाँ कहाँ घुमा सकते हो? देखो ये सब पोर्शन घूमेगा. मैं जैसे ही ऊपर जाऊंगा इतना पोर्शन घूमेगा and when I reaches the hemisphere, my hand will be down. अंदर जाएगा.
Yes,
Then
sir.
I'm with this curve. फिर ये पोर्शन टच होगा. So that's why we are not eliminating the hemisphere. क्योंकि मैं तो हेमिस्फीयर को भी टच कर सकता हूँ ना उसके कर्व की वजह से.
Screen.
अगर ओपन लैपटॉप है तो हमें स्क्रीन और कीपैड दोनों के जो शेप होंगे ये क्यूबॉइड है. नाउ इफ आई आस्क यू टू टच द पार्ट तो तुम लोग क्या करोगे? पूरा कीपैड से हैंड रखना स्टार्ट करोगे, फिर कीपैड के नीचे के पोर्शन में फैन से होते हुए फिर रिटर्न आओगे, फिर तुम लोग वापस स्क्रीन पे जाओगे, स्क्रीन फ्रंट से हैंड फेरोगे, पीछे से हैंड फेरोगे. सफाई तो करते हो ना लैपटॉप की.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So when your laptop is open, that time the surface area will be increases. और जब हमारा लैपटॉप बंद होगा, at that time you are not able to touch the keypad and screen. That is the basic difference of the surface area. So when we start cleaning this shape, we will cover the CSA. ये CSA पूरा cover होगा, गोल गोल इसका part. That is 2 pi RH plus this base. Base is a circle pi r square. Now when we reaches on the top, we will go down. ऐसे down में आ जाएंगे. So this one is the CSA of cone.
Cone.
So plus pi r L. So for cylinder we are considering here height is 2.4 centimeter, radius 1.4 by 2. Then for the cone, height is same as the cylinder, so that's why we are again taking a small h. Radius is also same. So finding the surface area of cone, CSA of cone we need L. So first we will calculate the slant height.
2.5 centimeter. Yes, sir. 2.5.
So we have the L 2.5 centimeter. Now we will find the combined area. So total surface area of remaining solid is equals to CSA of cylinder plus CSA of cone plus circle. So we can simply take here pi r common. So it's a 22 by 10 into 8. 2 2 ja. Okay, we are not going to cut it. Just 22 8 ja. 16 1 carry 176 by 10. So
Sir,
it's a
2.2 into 8 into 176.
so it's a 17.6 centimeter square.